Asterisk asterisk, ladies and gentlemen, asterisk asterisk, what if I told you that the secret to unlocking a longer life, sharper mind, and stronger body isn't hidden in some futuristic lab, but right inside a simple broccoli sprout? Imagine a natural compound so powerful it can switch on your body's defense systems, fight aging at the cellular level, and even help your brain grow younger as you grow older. This isn't science fiction, it's science in action. Today, you're going to discover how one molecule, sulforaphane, can transform your health, your energy, and maybe even the length of your life. What if I told you that one compound, found in a simple vegetable, has the potential to unlock your body's natural defense systems, enhance your brain, and slow down aging itself? It sounds almost too good to be true, yet science has been quietly revealing the remarkable power of sulforaphane, a molecule hidden in humble cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. This isn't some passing health trend or miracle supplement. This is a profound example of how nature equips us with tools to thrive, if only we choose to use them. Every day, your body faces an invisible war. Environmental toxins, stress, poor diet, and even the air you breathe generate oxidative stress and inflammation, two of the most destructive forces driving aging and chronic disease. But here's the good news: your body also has an internal army designed to fight back. Sulforaphane is like the commander that activates this defense system. It triggers something called the NRF2 pathway, a master regulator that turns on over 200 protective genes responsible for detoxification, antioxidant production, and cellular repair. Imagine flipping a switch that instructs every cell in your body to become more resilient, more efficient, and more capable of protecting itself. That's the power of sulforaphane. This compound doesn't just reduce damage, it helps your body adapt and grow stronger from the challenges it faces. It builds resilience at the cellular level, improving how your body manages stress, toxins, and inflammation. Research has shown that sulforaphane boosts glutathione, your body's most powerful antioxidant. Glutathione doesn't just fight free radicals, it recycles other antioxidants like vitamin C and E, keeping your internal environment balanced and youthful. But the benefits don't stop there. Sulforaphane has profound effects on the brain. It supports the creation of new neurons, protects existing ones from oxidative damage, and reduces neuroinflammation, one of the root causes of cognitive decline and mood disorders. Imagine your mind sharper, clearer, and more focused not just for a few hours, but for decades to come. That's what optimizing your biology can do. It also plays a powerful role in longevity by targeting one of the key hallmarks of aging, cellular senescence. These are the zombie cells that stop dividing but refuse to die, releasing toxins that accelerate the aging process. Sulforaphane helps your body eliminate these dysfunctional cells, keeping your tissues younger and more functional. It's not about living forever, it's about living better, longer, stronger, more energetic, and more mentally alive. Even your metabolism benefits. Studies show sulforaphane improves insulin sensitivity, balances blood sugar, and supports fat loss. It trains your metabolism to operate efficiently, just as it did when you were younger. Your cells literally begin functioning as if they've been reprogrammed to perform at a higher level. And what's most inspiring is how simple this can be. You don't need to buy anything exotic or expensive. You can activate these pathways by consuming cruciferous vegetables, especially broccoli sprouts, which contain up to 100 times more sulforaphane precursors than mature broccoli. When you crush, chew, or blend them, the enzyme myrosinase activates sulforaphane, unleashing its full potential. Every bite is an investment in your future self, the body you want, the clarity you seek, the longevity you dream of. It's all within reach. Your biology is waiting for the signal to thrive. Sulforaphane is that signal. Every bite is an investment in your future self. The body you want, the clarity you seek, the longevity you dream of, it's all within reach. Your biology is waiting for the signal to thrive. Sulforaphane is that signal, but here's where it becomes truly transformative. When you realize that your daily choices hold the key to unlocking this biological potential. You don't need to wait for some breakthrough drug or advanced therapy. The science of longevity is already growing quietly in your kitchen garden, in a handful of broccoli sprouts or a plate of steamed kale. The greatest medicine often comes not from a lab, but from the soil beneath our feet. When you nourish your cells with sulforaphane-rich foods, you aren't just eating. You're communicating with your genes, instructing them to protect, repair, and rejuvenate. Think about that for a moment. Food as information, not just calories. Each meal becomes an opportunity to send your body a signal. Grow stronger, stay younger, defend yourself. That's the beauty of this compound. It doesn't force your body to change. It reminds it how to function at its best. And what's remarkable is how fast the impact can be felt. Within hours of consuming sulforaphane, your antioxidant defenses begin to rise. Within days, inflammatory markers start to decline. Over weeks, your cells express genes that enhance detoxification, repair DNA, and strengthen the immune system. You start to feel the shift, not just physically, but mentally. Your energy becomes steadier, your focus sharper, your mood lighter. You begin to realize that true vitality doesn't come from shortcuts, it's built from the consistent, intelligent choices you make every day. Even your body's ability to defend against environmental toxins becomes amplified. Sulforaphane helps neutralize pollutants, pesticides, and heavy metals by activating enzymes that flush them out of your system. It's like giving your liver, lungs, and cells an upgraded filtration system, one that was designed by nature itself to protect you in a toxic world. The implications reach even further. Chronic diseases that once seemed inevitable, like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers, are deeply influenced by oxidative stress and inflammation. By activating the body's own protective pathways, sulforaphane targets the root of these conditions, not just the symptoms. It's as if nature designed a molecule to keep life resilient against the very forces that wear it down. And then there's the impact on your immune system, the foundation of your long-term health. Sulforaphane enhances immune surveillance, helping your body recognize and eliminate abnormal or damaged cells before they become dangerous. It fine-tunes the immune response, making it more balanced and intelligent. That's why people who regularly consume cruciferous vegetables tend to have stronger defenses and faster recovery from illness. But the most empowering truth is this: sulforaphane's power only exists when you choose to activate it. When you chop those vegetables, when you eat those sprouts, when you make the conscious decision to nourish your body instead of numbing it, you are literally creating change at the molecular level. You become the designer of your own health, the engineer of your own longevity, and that choice, repeated daily, compounds over time. Just like growth, just like mastery. One meal, one decision, one day at a time, you build a body that defies aging, a mind that stays clear, and an energy that carries you forward. Because the real miracle isn't the molecule itself, it's your willingness to align your habits with what science already knows to be true. You have within you a system built to heal, to adapt, to thrive. All it needs is the right message, the right environment, the right fuel. And sometimes that begins not with a prescription, but with something as simple as the green sprout of a broccoli seed, nature's quiet reminder that the power to live longer, stronger, and healthier has been in your hands all along. You have within you a system built to heal, to adapt, to thrive. All it needs is the right message, the right environment, the right fuel. And sometimes that begins not with a prescription, but with something as simple as the green sprout of a broccoli seed, nature's quiet reminder that the power to live longer, stronger, and healthier has been in your hands all along. What makes this even more fascinating is that sulforaphane doesn't just work in isolation, it works in harmony with your body's rhythms. When you eat it, it interacts with your microbiome, the vast ecosystem of bacteria living inside you that influences everything from mood to metabolism. These tiny organisms take sulforaphane and amplify its effects, producing metabolites that further reduce inflammation and support your immune system. You are not just feeding yourself, you are feeding the billions of living allies that help you function at your best. Every serving of cruciferous vegetables becomes a signal of cooperation between you and your inner ecosystem, a partnership designed by nature to sustain life. And here's where the story deepens. Your genes are not your destiny. They are simply blueprints, possibilities waiting to be expressed. Sulforaphane has been shown to influence gene expression, switching on protective genes and silencing those that promote disease. This means you have more control over your biological future than you've ever been told. You can literally rewrite parts of your cellular script through consistent choices. The genes you activate today determine how your body performs tomorrow. Think of your life as a series of micro decisions that either build vitality or drain it. Do you reach for processed comfort or vibrant nourishment? Do you fuel disease or activate defense? Every bite carries information, and when that information comes from living, natural food rich in compounds like sulforaphane, you're sending a powerful message to your body: evolve, grow, protect. There's a quiet strength that comes from understanding this truth. It shifts how you view health, from something fragile that must be protected to something powerful that can be cultivated. You realize that your body isn't failing you. It's waiting for the right inputs to perform the way it was designed to. You don't have to chase energy, you can build it. You don't have to fear aging, you can influence it. You don't have to wait for disease, you can prevent it. And imagine what that means for your future self. Decades from now, your cells could still be performing with youthful precision because of the decisions you're making today. Your mind could still be sharp, your body still capable, your spirit still alive with curiosity and drive. Longevity is not about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. Sulforaphane and the foods that contain it are not shortcuts, they are keys that unlock the potential of human health as nature intended it. This is what modern science is rediscovering, that nature has always provided the blueprint for resilience. We just forgot how to listen. The moment you start making choices rooted in awareness and intention, you reconnect with that ancient intelligence. You start living in alignment with the way your body was built to function: strong, balanced, adaptable. Every sprout, every plate of greens, every intentional act of nourishment is a quiet rebellion against decline. It's a declaration that you are not passive in your own story, you are the author of it. The compound may be small, but its ripple effect through your biology is immense. Because when you give your body what it needs to thrive, it rewards you with clarity, strength, and a sense of vitality that no external fix can replicate. And all of this begins not with complexity, but with simplicity. The simplicity of choosing whole foods over processed, color over blandness, and awareness over convenience. It's the simplicity of understanding that health isn't luck, it's design, and sulforaphane is one of the most powerful design tools nature ever gave us.